everybody! Welcome to Nunthana's Healthy Thai Food. Today I want to show you how to cook a noodle, okay? Noodle soup. First of all, I heat the pan up. I heat the pot up, and after that I add chopped garlic. And after that chopped garlic, keep stirring. Keep stirring until it gets smell, okay? And another pot I boil the water from the soup from pumpkin soup. I boil. I need to boil pumpkin soup here. After that I keep stirring until the garlic gets smell. After that I add chicken. Chicken about 400 grams. Chicken 400 grams. And some boiled water about 200 grams, 200 milliliters. Okay, about I add water 800 milliliters. Okay, boiled water. I will add this. You know this celery root, head of celery, about 200 grams. I also, I will also add here, this onion, chopped onion, 150 grams, and chopped carrot, about 100 grams, and this is red bell chili, about 10 grams. I add now, chopped onion, about 150 grams. And let it cook, okay? Let it cook a little bit boil. Let it boil, okay? Let it boil. Let it to be boiled. And this potato about 200 grams. Potato I will cut it. I will also add. I will add also this celery, hard part of celery and leaf part of celery, celery leaf. I will add later. Okay. Another pot I also add. I can add this hard part of celery because it will be fast cooker. Okay. I will add also, pumpkin. Here, pumpkin about 200 grams in another pot. And first of all, I will add potato. Okay, potato. And I will add also potato another pot. Okay, to make it faster because this cooker is faster. Okay, chop potato, okay, here. Chop potato 200 grams. This much because it gets faster. Keep stirring. Because I use 2 pots, it's more faster. And I will add also, this chopped carrot 100 grams and red bell chili about 70 grams. This pot. Keep stirring, okay? Keep stirring, keep stirring. Let it to be cooked. Okay. I will change to another pot. Then it 5 minutes past, then I will add, I will add this about 200 gram cooked pumpkin, okay, inside the pot. Inside the pot, okay. I use a knife cut a little bit. Okay, and after that I will add this pumpkin, about 200 gram, 300 gram, okay, pumpkin in this soup. And make it boil and keep stirring, keep stirring. Okay, I keep stirring, okay? Let it cook, stir and meat. And already another 5 minutes pass. Don't keep stirring. The potato is already cooked. Then I will add this already cooked. Celery cooked. Celery is cooked. I will add some, light soya. I will add light soya sauce, fish sauce, light soya sauce, acid. Okay, here acid, and sweet chili sauce here like this. Okay, and noodle. First of all, I add noodle, okay? Here, noodle. So a little bit noodle about 100, one handful, okay? One handful. Not too much because soup should be light. The soup should be light, not too thick. One handful is enough. I think 2 handful better, yeah? Okay, 2 handful, okay? Two handful, okay? Like this, 2 handful. Okay, we'll make the soup a little bit thick. Keep stirring, and again let it cook a little bit boil for a few minutes. Light soya sauce 1 tablespoon, and fish sauce 1 tablespoon. Okay, it should not be salty. Acid 1 tablespoon, okay? Yeah, acid. Okay, acid 1 tablespoon. Acid 2. Okay, acid 2 tablespoon, okay? And the chili sauce, sweet chili sauce, yeah? About 2 tablespoons or so. 1, 2. Okay. 2 tablespoons, okay? To make nice color and a little bit taste. Okay. Like this. Noodle soup and potato soup together. Noodle soup. taste it. Is it good taste or not? Yes. I will taste it. A little bit. After that, it's already cooked. Then I will close the turn off the heat. Before turn off the heat, I add some parsley, celery leaf, celery leaf, celery leaf, and close the heat. So chili sauce, okay? Chili, little bit chili, and you can put on the plate. Can put on the plate, okay? Put on the plate like this. Soup ready. Now soup is ready, okay? And add some more chili. Okay. Yeah, soup is ready. Okay, this is tomatoes, potato soup and noodle soup together. Okay, and tomato or the potato soup and noodle soup with chicken. Okay. Enjoy your food. And thank you very much for watching. See you next video, okay? Bye bye. Please subscribe for me, okay? Have a nice day. Okay. Bye bye.
Get a drum as a toy for Christmas.